It's a great day to learn something new. I'm Rashana Levin, Realtor with KW United. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to create a landing page for your clients and for what I call orphans. Well, I don't call them orphans, but basically a real estate orphan is the other party to the transaction, because as we know, most real estate agents do not follow up with their clients. So if you are a listing agent, I would recommend that you create one of these landing pages and basically send updates to that particular person. You'll see how it all flows in a second. So once you are in your agent dashboard, well, actually, let me go back because you might not know where you are. So you have these. This is not the main page, but these are the icons here. So you click on websites, and what I want to do is click on edit agent website. Now I want to go to expert mode. And so these are the different things that you can do with your website. So they call them quick starts. So landing pages are not going to be searchable with the bots of Google and all the other websites. So that's why I would recommend that you do a landing page instead of a custom page. So those are the differences between the two. And so in my campaign that I created this year I created a campaign of 100 addresses that I wanted to have customized landing pages to basically show what their property values are and all that. So that this is the beginning phase to that particular project. So this is just two steps that you need to do to complete the activity. So we want to click on landing page. And so here, generate permalink. So this is right now the current link of what this particular web page is until you have made the changes. So landing page title is what that permalink is going to be. So I'm going to say it's 123 Main Street. And description, I'm not going to do a description right now. So I want to add a module and I want rich text. And so what items do I want on here? So I want to have average sales price, days on market, average, I can't spell today, average rental amount, maybe I've just thought about this, maybe some community resources like school information. That's something that you could, like county information, something like that. So you could say www.fcps. That's our website here. So I'm just going to put this in here so you can see how this looks. So 25 days, average rental amount is $2,500 per month. I'm not sure why this is. Right, the page header, I don't like the page header on my screen. That's just something I don't need the actual page name, but I do want the so you could have this as the person's, address, the street address, something like that, but you'll know what the actual property address is because this will be unique to them because they'll have their own link. So once I click publish, it's going to change the link. And so this is what I wish I had known when I had first started this. You see this URL here? So that's the URL that you actually need to copy. But before I get finished, I want to add one more thing to this. I want to add, it's a lot of different things that you can add to this. You can add carousels, you can add other properties, but I just want to keep this simple. I don't want to add stats or any of that. I want to add, you can add your preferred vendors. I'll just show you how that looks. Not sure. You could add that. I don't know why it's not adding that for some reason. Okay, well, since I added that, I want to show you how to remove something. It's like, well, I don't really want that. You just click the X box and it will go away. Additional options. Why do I not see? Form is what I want. And so what I do like about when you're navigating the website, whatever you make the changes, you'll always see it on the right-hand side. So you'll get a preview. I'm not sure why it doesn't say. Okay. Got to make sure you have the contact info because I want them to know, okay, well, whose website is this that I'm on? So I always have this on, I create the main, so you want to, I can't, restep. So tongue tied here. So what you want to do is create your first template that you want to use all the time. So that's what you want to use all the time. And you will make a copy of it. So I'm going to click publish. And I want to make a copy of this landing page. And you see here, this is the copy of it. And then once you make the changes, this is 246, let's say Main Street. And make sure you change the two items so you'll know that you made changes to it. And then click publish. And so that's its own website again. And so now I'm going to open up in a new tab so you can see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. So if the person wants to contact you, they can contact you here. They can email you and you can put whatever other information, you can put videos and everything else. So what I want to do now is I want to show you what it actually looks like, what the one that I actually created. So you can actually copy that and put your unique information in there. So I want to click on that icon there and click on dashboard. And I will pull, it's a random one here. So this is angelfish. So we want to go to angelfish. Okay, I don't know why keeps saying this. Okay, allow once I'm on here. So this is a market snapshot for the property at that address. So that's what I have there. So this is the main template that I have that I use. So understanding your home's value, average sales price, average days on the market. This goes to the home bot. So I will link this in the description so you can actually go to this. On the website, I actually realized I have to make a change to this. It's too many zeros. It's not 4 million. Let's take that off. Publish. So everything you change is like instantly so you can see. And so now I want to show you what you can do for creating the bulk text. So I discovered this website. I think I saw somebody else's YouTube page, but what I love about it is you can put 100 links in here and it will create 100 QR codes instantly. And if you add the address name, it will automatically save. So you click that. I was scared to do that because I wasn't sure if it was going to press enter. So you can enter and it's okay. So I put in these two addresses. So I want to create 2 links for these 2 URLs here. So generate 2 codes. So I can download the zip file So I'm going to download the zip file. I don't like the names of the zip files that they do, but anyway. So this goes to the QR code. That's perfect, because in the example that I used, I had 100 addresses that I needed to import into Canva. So what I did, this is geeky now. So that's the next video. So you'll see why I did this. So I created a template that I wanted to mail to 100 addresses, but I wanted to kind of like a mail merge kind of thing. So I wanted to create QR codes for all of those addresses. So then I had to do the bulk create feature in Canva. And then within, less than a minute, all of those things were uploaded instead of me having to do it individual. Because I was like, oh, this is like a large project. This is going to take me ever to finish. And then I was like, well, I'll never do it. So this is just the first part of the project. So this is part 1. So get this part down. So what you first need to do is to figure out who you're going to put on this particular campaign or what you're going to do with it. So that's first part. Put that in a spreadsheet, then create your landing pages. And then once you create your landing page, what I would recommend you do is put the landing page in a Google spreadsheet and then upload it to QR Explorer. And once the project is finished with me creating the videos, it will show you step by step what you need to do, so you won't forget anything. But I like to do video tutorials, so you'll see. Make it a great day, and until the next time, I'm Rashawn 11 with KW United.